Alright guys, so visa on arrival is back and there is also no quarantine anymore, and this is official news. But this is not for everyone, so let's talk about that today. So I'm in the Azul Beach Club in Kuta. Very nice place, by the way, having my Radler, of course. Let's talk about the current updates regarding the visa on arrival. So it's open officially for 23 countries, lucky countries, mostly United States, Australia, UK, France, and few Asian countries. So if you're coming from this country, you can come to Bali and you can get yourself visa on arrival, what's gonna cost you 500,000 rupiah, 500k, about 35 American dollars, without any kind of applying online. You just on arrival, land, get the visa and you can go, which is definitely much more easier right now. And also if you are double or triple vaccinated, you don't need to do quarantine anymore, and this is official also, so you don't need to quarantine. However, you still need to book minimum 4 nights, 5 days hotel, which is approved by the government, so kind of staycation. You have to be in this hotel what is approved by the government. You cannot choose any other hotel, you cannot choose private address like villa or Airbnb or anything else. So if you're coming from 23 these countries and you are fully vaccinated, you could possibly come without much hassle. Also, you need to have insurance, which is $15,000 right now, which is also much easier. And also you need to make 2, maybe even 3 PCR tests, which is actually still kind of problematic, especially as in Europe. Most of countries already take rid of the testing. So 1 test probably before you're gonna fly here. Well, most of the airlines will request that. Another one when you arrive in Bali, so in the airport there will be another PCR test, and another one will be on the 4th day or 3rd day before you check out from the hotel. So this is all regarding the people who are on the lucky 23 countries list and they are fully vaccinated. If you are not fully vaccinated, you have 1 dose, you can still come, but you will need to quarantine. And if you have no vaccine at all, unfortunately right now you cannot enter Bali or Indonesia at all. Alright, cheers. So if you are not coming from this lucky 23 countries, or maybe you coming from this country but you don't have a nationality, for example, you are mixed marriage, let's say example of Australia, and you are mixed marriage like me and Winnie, what actually I'm married with Indonesian, but let's say one of you is Australian and one of you is Polish. By the way, 200,000 Polish people living in Australia, so it's kind of possible, and you still don't have Australian nationality, Australian passport, you are qualified as you are not coming from these 23 countries, so you have to quarantine, and you need to also apply for the additional visa B211. What it's cost you about 250 American dollars. And all of you who are not coming from these 23 countries, you still can come to Bali, but you need to apply for the B211 visa. What's gonna cost you? Well, 250, depends where you're applying, and do quarantine in the hotel. Also, if you're gonna arrive and you are positive, even you are qualified for these 23 countries, you will still need to go into quarantine. However, you can do it in the hotel. You don't need to go to the hospital, except you are very, very badly sick or something like that. So definitely it's going to be easier. The official statements are so big, long stack of paper, and it's so complicated. I'm just trying to explain you as simple as possible in simple words. So yeah, that's how it is. Alright guys, so quickly, briefly, in very simple words, I try to explain you how does it look if you would like to come to Bali, Indonesia, how to come to Bali right now. This is update from March 2020, the current update. Meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy my tacos in the Azul, fly drone little bit, so at the end of the video, I hope so you will enjoy a little bit of the cinematography from Padma area. And as always, I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care guys. Actually, instead of flying my drone, what I was really planning right now, I think I quickly have to go to my car, because check this out, these clouds are so dark and will be very big rain very soon. So I'm sorry, no flight today, but maybe next time.